Bet. I bet a small amount on the races every weekend. I am betting on the underdog right now. I have just bet my last chip. I have been betting on this team for years. I bet £10 on the match yesterday. I was betting at the table when the casino closed. I had bet more than I could afford before I stopped. I had been betting cautiously all evening before the big hand. I will bet on the gray horse tomorrow. I will be betting at the poker night all evening. I will have bet my whole budget by the final round. By tonight, I will have been betting on this game for hours.